Hello students and welcome back to a video tutorial on Canva Video Editor brought to you by the Tons of Fun in Learning channel. This is the fourth and final lesson of the Canva Video Editor tutorial series. For this lesson, we will be covering how to edit audio elements into your video, such as adding sound effects at certain points or giving your video an ambient music to enhance the quality for any watchers listening. With all that said, let us begin with the lesson. Here we are, back in the same video from the previous lesson, where we will continue to pick up from what we left last time by adding sounds and music into the video since it did not have any form of sounds before. Before we can begin adding any sounds into the video, let us upload some sound files first that I have prepared for this lesson. So let us go to the Uploads tab, then head to Upload Files. Then let us select all the audio files we will be using for this video. Once all the selected videos have been successfully loaded, you can import it by dragging it down into the video playback. To demonstrate this, I will drag this woodblock sound into the playback. Then I'll play the video to check if the sound works. There we go, we have imported our sound into the video. Like with elements, we can also drag the sound clip itself in the playback to a certain point from when the sound will play. So for this example, I will drag it slightly further to make the sound effect play together as the O-clock appears in the crafting grid. Okay, now that we have added and edited in our first sound for the animation, I'll leave a short time lapse of adding more sounds for you to watch as I give all of the other animations in this video their own sound effect. Now that we have added in our sounds into our video, we will now proceed to the next step, and that is adding music into your own video. Unlike sound effects, we will often hear this music playing in the background as a video is playing. Adding in music keeps viewers entertained and it also sets in the proper mood for the type of videos you are making. In the same way you add regular sound effects into your Canva video editor, you can also upload music from your files and then import them into your video. Now, when it comes to importing music, it's either you import them into the clip or you import them into the whole video time frame. And what I want to do here is import this music to be played for the whole video. So in order to do that, you must grab your music from the uploads, then drag it all the way down below the audio track. Here, you will see the drop music space. Drop your music here, and there you go. The music should be playing throughout the entire video. There we go. We have successfully added both sound and background music for our video. And that will be the end of this lesson, as well as the Canva tutorial series as a whole. If you want to see more tutorials, check out our channel for other video tutorials made by our amazing team. I hope you enjoyed and learned from our tutorial series, and I will see you later. Goodbye.